As today we are going to explore about the forex on Bitget. How you can do trade the forex on the Bitget, how you can trade the gold, silver, everything on the Bitget. I will show you each and everything today. So let's get started. So first of all, guys, here is the Bion Crypto Trade Global Assessed with the USDT. Sign up now to claim a welcome pack with the 6.2K USDT here. The exchange, the wallet, basically both things also with up there, so you can go trade anywhere, anytime, and you need to register and sign up on this platform to explore much more things about this platform. So first of all, guys, here's the CFD, Bitget CFD Bion Crypto Trade Gold Forex and much more. Worldwide assessed coverage, flexible, leverage, 24/7 volume service, customer service, fund production is also with up there. So the tutorial. The available assets also here. You can also check it. Here's XAU USD gold versus US dollars. Basically, both things are also available in front of you. How you already have, and you can see the article, how this thing actually works. So first of all, guys, we get to see after trading guide, what is Forex? Basically, Forex is a foreign exchange. Markets is on period of high attend volatility and earns simultaneously, largely driven by active escalating geopolitical tensions in the Middle East, particularly the conflicts involving Iran and the distribution risk of the Strait of the Hormuz, alongside wild swing in oil prices, display over effect of the energy market shocks and diverging central bank policies. Traditional seasonal patterns such as the March uptake, the USD over GPY exchange rate have been completely overshadowed by geopolitical risk. The US dollar DXY is hovering around 92 or 99.2 to 99.5, with an intraday center of the 99.3 to 99.4 noticeably stronger than 97.6 to 99 and 98 ranging in late February. This index maintains a mild upward path in ongoing intraday fluctuation, reflecting a combination of the safe haven demand and oil-driven stagflation concern. So Forex, the largest, most liquid financial market in the world, the daily trading volume exceeding $7 trillion. When Bitget Forex contracts were different, offered high leverage and bi-directional trading, making them suitable for capturing exchange rate movement. Forex CFD as illustrated to participate in the price of the fluctuation of the major currency pairs without actually holding the underlying currencies. The course and the APIF's basics also here. For express and quoted in the currency pairs, for example, euro over USD means 1 euro can be exchanged for 1 US dollars and a kong. First currency, the first currency is the base currency basically, and second is core currency. So you can check it out, this thing too. And after that, guys, you can also check it out more things. Examples, Bitget CFDs in this space. The spares and central bank policies, the spares is the difference between the ask and bid, resulting in the primary trading cost for major pairs. Spares can be low 0.1 to 0.5 pips during high quality feeders. The for minor pairs, although with highly conditioned spares, may widen to several pips. Key factors affecting spares, market liquidity, trading hours, and major economic gamers, Bitget offers a competitive low pairs on the major forex pairs, especially during the London-New York overlap. The role of the central bank policies, central bank interest rate decision are a core driver of the currency strength and the pairs. When the federal rate raises and the USD tends to strengthen, pairs may narrow, but volatility usually increases. When the European Central Bank or Bank of Japan maintains its policy, the yuan or the JPY tends to weaken. And the major trading session, the Asia, Europe, and the US and their botany patrons also within there, so you can check out the forex affairs to 4 to 5, basically Monday to Friday, and divided into 3 major sessions centered around Asian session, Tokyo, European sessions, London, and US sessions are reported to the US. And how the news and data influence the forex market. The forex market is highly sensitive to the macroeconomic news. Major data relates to the immerse can drink of rapid moves of the dozens or to hundreds of the pips within exactly Breathe the poops within seconds, stay alert for the following. Higher CMR skip to US non-farm playables. In interested rate decision of the FED geopolitical development and other things like risk correctors perhaps can be widened several times steadily around the data. Release slip page is quam and false breakout. Basically, you can check it out. In the extreme condition, liquidity can be dry up, increasing the risk of the position being liquidated. And how to trade with forex only with Bitget CFD? But basically, it happened in some step. Number one is sign up and create Bitget CFD account. And then you need to visit the website, like the CFD page. And after that, you need to open a Bitget app, Tradify at the bottom of screen and see it's like CFD tab to create the MT5 account, CFD account password and other things, and make default and transfer forward and go to the Bitget. You can need to select deposit and select USD, then you need to transfer. And after that, the trading page also will have their Australian dollars over the description, what there is mean, their pip value are also in front of you. So you can go and check them out, the values too, on this platform. And so as what is the chronicle? So basically, Bitget for CFDs are available from 24/5 around major events, suppress me widen, and liquidity can temporarily decline. But although Bitget uses it for an active balance protection and other things like an active balance after liquidation is reset to zero strike risk, and management remains essential to control the position size limit each affair to no more than 1 to 2% of the account equity. Always had stop loss targets and avoid emotion-driven overnight holding given the high volatility of the forex. Market leverages is a double-edged sword. Start with a small position, scale up gradually as you gain the experience. Now you understand it. This is your time to trade it. Here is the Bitget. Export the Bitget today and export the other things like as you buy on crypto trade gold forex and other things you can also trade on this platform. So you need to go export this amazing platform and check out this thing here. So guys, all our links are in the description. Don't forget to check them out. We will meet in the next video. So have a great day. Please keep safe, stay happy, and thank you.